मैं डॉक्टर हरिओम शर्मा, गवर्नमेंट एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज, पीजी कॉलेज धौलपुर। आज हम एमएससी के स्टूडेंट्स को एमएससी के स्टूडेंट को नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, स्टीरॉयड के बारे में बताएंगे। नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट एमएससी फाइनल ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट में पेपर में स्टीरॉयड के बारे में बताएंगे। अब स्टीरॉयड हार्मोन्स, स्टीरॉयड्स हार्मोन्स, इसमें देखिए, इसमें जैसे स्टीरॉयड हार्मोन्स हैं, तो ये हार्मोन्स आर सीक्रेशन ऑफ द ductless gland. They are classified on the basis of their physiological action because they are not structurally related to each other. Sex hormones are steroidal compounds produced in the gonads, testes in male and ovaries. In the female, they are considered as secondary sex hormones because their activity is controlled by hormones produced in the anterior to lobe of pituitary glands. Sex hormones regulate reproductive process and are responsible for the development of the secondary characteristic, while differentiate male and female hormones. There are three types of sex hormones. ये तीन प्रकार के सेक्स हार्मोन होते हैं, जिसमें एंड्रोजेंस, जिसको हम मेल हार्मोन्स कहते हैं। दूसरा ऑस्ट्रोग्रांजेंस, इसको फीमेल, इसमें फीमेल फॉलिकुलर हार्मोन्स कहते हैं। तीसरा आता है गैस्ट्रोजन कॉर्पस ल्यूटियस हार्मोन्स। तो इस तरह से हम ये हार्मोन्स के बारे में बताते हैं। अब देखिए, ये आता है एंड्रो अब आता है एंड्रोस्टेरोन हार्मोन। ब्यूटेनेंटाल्ट and Co-Burgers 1931 isolated from male urine 15 मिलीग्राम from 1500 लीटर ऑफ द यूरिन। 1500 लीटर यूरिन के बाद लेने के बाद इसको 15 ग्राम ये हार्मोन निकाला। इट्स मोलिकुलर फार्मूला वाज डिटरमाइंड टू बी C19H30O2 which corresponds to 5 dBe, 19 minus 30 by 2 plus 1 over 5. It is called of the functional group. Analysis confirm the presence of one hydroxyl group form more esters and one ketonic group form oxygen etc. It behave as a saturated compounds because it did not addition of hydrogen in the presence of metal. Catalyst or bromine. Androsterone must therefore be tetracyclic compound because carbonyl group can account only for 1 dBe androsterone. Produced produced deals hydrocarbon on hydrogenation with selenium at 36 degrees Celsius, suggesting that it may contain steroid nucleus. इस तरह से through structure of cholesterol was not fully confirmed at that time. The position of hydroxyl group, the position of hydroxyl group and angular an angular methyl group and side chain were established butanediol 1932. Therefore, proposed following structure for androsterone, which lead to correct structure of the androsterone. इसमें दो बेंजीन रिंग है, जिसमें HOH ग्रुप HH or double bond O, the structure of proposed for the androstenedione by Butane in 1932. Compound having structure proposed for the androstenedione by butanol was obtained by oxidation of 5-alpha cholesterol 3 beta acetate followed by the hydrolysis of Ruzicki's 1932. However, it was not identical with the natural androstenedione. He then oxidized 5-alpha cholesterol 3-alpha acetyl and hydrolysis. The produce which was found identical with the natural androstenedione, thus confirming that configuration of hydroxyl group at C3 is actually alpha and not beta as suggested by the butanol. अब इसको ये जो है इसमें ये स्ट्रक्चर है 5-अल्फा कोलेस्ट्रोलाइन 3 बीटा एसीटेट, इसमें क्रोमियम ऑक्साइड को हाइड्रोलाइसिस करते हैं तो एपी एड्रोस्टोरेन बनता है और फिर 5-अल्फा कोलेस्ट्रोलाइन 3-अल्फा एसीटेट CrO2 हाइड्रोलाइसिस क्रोमियम ऑक्साइड से हाइड्रोलाइसिस करते हैं तो एंड्रोस्टोरेन बनता है. लेटर ब्यूटेनडेट एंड कोबर्कर 1934 isolated two more hormones from male urine 5-beta androstenedione and dehydroepiandrosterone while testosterone was isolated by Lequaire 1935 from Sitter tested 10 milligram from 100 kg of the testes. अब इसमें ये जो आता है जैसे इसमें 5-बीटा एंड्रोस्टोरिन और टेस्टोस्टोरिन के ये इसमें बेंजीन रिंग के साथ OH ग्रुप डबल बॉन्ड O OH डबल बॉन्ड O इस तरह से जुड़ा हुआ है. अब आता है टेस्टोस्टोरिन बाज आइसोलेटेड फ्रॉम स्टीर टेस्टेड बाई द Lucius 1935 that it is a steroid hormone was confirmed by the formation of Diels hydrocarbon. On selenium dehydrogenation, its molecular formula C19H28O2 corresponds to 6 dBes. 19 minus 28 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 6. That means functional group analysis show it to be an alpha beta unsaturated ketone and confirmed the presence of a hydroxyl group. These steroid skeleton tetracyclic and alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl group account for 6 dBe butane and that 1935 thought that testosterone may be structurally related to androsterone and oxygen atom may be present at C13 and C17 in testosterone. He accomplished the synthesis of testosterone starting from cholesterol and thus confirmed the structure of the testosterone. अब आता है ये नेक्स्ट नॉर बेर्स इट एट al 1954 converted dehydroepiandrosterone into testosterone in 2 steps in the following manner. He showed that carbonyl group at C17 can be preferentially reduced if 3-keto group is conjugated. Dehydroepiandrosterone opener oxidation एंड्रोस्टोफोर 317 डाइऑन यानी इस तरह से सोडियम बोरोहाइड्राइड तो टेस्टोस्टेरोन प्राप्त होता है जिसमें कि बेंजीन रिंग और पेंटागोनल स्ट्रक्चर होता है. The configuration of C17 hydroxyl group was shown to be beta bimolecular rotation structure. Studies and by examination of rates of hydrolysis of various testosterone esters, various hydrocarbon of testosterone of ester. अब आता है इसमें नेक्स्ट Ostroestrogen was the first sex hormone to be isolated by the Buchanan et al. 1929 from the urine of the pregnant woman. The main function of this hormone is to develop secondary sexual characteristics in the females, which differentiates them from males. Its control the uterine cycle, the induced state heat female, the molecular formula of the estrogen C18H22O2 corresponding to 8 dBES 18 minus 22 by 2 plus 1 by 8. Functional group analysis of the estrogen confirmed the presence of one keto group forms exime and semi-carbazone with hydroxylamine and semi-carbazide. Respectively, the nature of the other oxygen was found to be phenolic because it formed monoesters and monomethyl ether, characteristics of the enolic group, and formed salt when treated with the alkali. Moreover, estrogen coupled with the diazonium salt in alkali solution, which is the characteristic reaction phenols, catalytic hydrogenation of estrogen yielded octahydroestronin, a diol having molecular formula C18H30O. The consumption of our 4 hydrogen molecule can be explained by the presence of the one keto group and a benzonoid ring, and thus estrogen must be tetracyclic compound. Estrone yielded crysine when distilled with the zinc included. It may be related to the steroids. Then Waukesha reduced methyl ether of the estrone yield and formed which of these distillation with selenium gives 7-methyl 1,2-cyclopentophenylthreonine. First whose structure was confirmed by the synthesis of the Cook et al. 1934. CH3O benzene ring MgBr plus CH3 penta, तो CH3 जो benzene ring CH3OH. तो इस तरह से इसमें अब इसमें ये H2O और CH3OH बेंजीन रिंग और CH3AlCH3 CH3O बेंजीन रिंग CH3 सेलेनियम 32CH3. तो दैट मीन्स ये जो इसमें द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ 7-methoxy 1,2-cyclopentanophenothrin first from the estrine confirm the presence of steroid nucleus, the position of phenolic group C70 steroid numbering, and hence benzonoid nature of the ring A. The presence of steroid nucleus in the estrogen was also shown by X-ray analysis, which also indicated that 2 oxygen atom are opposite ends of the estrogen molecule. Thus, estrogen has following skeleton: CH3O, benzene ring or its pentagonal structure. the above skeleton of 17 carbon atom, while there are 18 carbon atom to estrogen 1 carbon atom and a ketonic oxygen must be added to this skeleton. Obtain structure as the position of a keto group was shown to be at C17, while extra carbon atom was shown to be an angular methyl group present in C17, C13 by Cook at 1935 with following. Estrogen methyl ether was treated with the methyl magnesium iodide to give an alcohol derived by the addition of the carbonyl group. Dehydration of the alcohol derivative followed by the catalytic reduction of the produced yielded a compound which with distilled with the selenium afford the 7-methoxy-3,3-dimethyl 1,2-cyclopentaphenolphthalein second, whose structure was the confirmed by the synthesis by Cook et al. बेंजीन रिंग, डबल बेंजीन, ट्रिपल बेंजीन, इस तरह से हो। इसमें ऑस्ट्रोजन मिथाइल ईथर CH3O, CH3MgI, इसमें ग्रेनाइड रीजन H+, CH3O, बेंजीन रिंग HO, CH3, KSO4, H2O, और इस तरह से CH3O, बेंजीन रिंग, CH3, इसमें H2PT, सेलेनियम 3, इस तरह से CH3O, बेंजीन रिंग, और इस तरह से CH3, CH2। That the formation of second from estrogen methyl ether can only be explained if keto group is at C17, which means that the one methyl group is present in the estrone which has migrated to the C17 during dehydration. The position of one extra carbon methyl group in estrone was assigned as C17 based on the analog with the other steroid having angular methyl at C17 which undergo this type of rearrangement. Moreover, this type of migration is characteristic of the transfused hydranidone, and thus CD ring junction must be trans CD junction lead to dehydration. Without rearrangement, the methyl group at C17 must be axial of the satisfy stereoelectronic requirement of the 1,2 shift with the loss of hydroxyl group at C17 in alcohol derivative. Thus, Austin was assigned following structure. The transfusion of BC ring junction was proposed on the basis of X-ray analysis. The following structure of B confirmed by the synthesis HO, oestronin, बेंजीन रिंग, और इसमें पेंटागोनल ऑक्सीजन OHO, HHH, इस तरह से एरो, और इस तरह से हम इसको। तो अब हमारा ये जो एस्ट्रोजन हार्मोन है, ये यहीं पर समाप्त होता है। और नेक्स्ट टर्न पर हम आपको नेक्स्ट टर्न पर हम आपको आगे की चैप्टर में ये हार्मोन्स के बारे में, स्टेरॉइड ऑफ हार्मोन्स के बारे में बताएंगे।